If you have a Freightliner Cascadia, old body with the DD15, DT12 automatic transmission, and all of a sudden your def light starts flashing and your transmission light is on and hill assist light is on, ABS light is on, and check light is on. So if you're having this issue and you want to try to start it, it sounds like a starter. It clicks, but it won't start. Just like that. So what you're gonna do is remove these four screws. They are T27. Put them there. Kick the panel out, and there's a thing called piece of shit CPC right there. So usually it's stuffed up there. Cut the zip tie, get the CPC out just like that. Get the CPC out. So you're gonna have a shit called like this CPC. Just crack the shit open here, 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 and here. Just use a needle or flathead screwdriver. Just stick it in, pry it out, and this cover will come out. Toss that shit away, and there's gonna be brain right here, right there. Sometimes if you have a lighter, sometimes you put upside down. You put it upside down. Sometimes when you warm up like that for a few seconds, and then warm it up, be careful, don't burn your finger, and press this corner. Press this corner. All of a sudden, your truck becomes okay again. Okay? So press this corner. You see that lights went out. See? I'm pressing it, and transmission light went out, check light went out, and the flashing light went out. I'm still pressing it. So now I'm going to let it go. See? Transmission light came out, and it won't start. But let's see. Nothing. See? Yeah, this shit is flashing again. Watch closely. So I'm gonna press this shit on the CPC, and you watch those lights. I'm gonna press this corner right there. I'm gonna press it right here really hard with my fingers, and you watch those lights. See? It went away. All the check lights went away. So while pressing it, I'll try to start it. See if it starts. Okay? There you go. Hey, we solved the issue. But I'm still holding it. So that means your CPC is fucked up. So I'm going to let it go and see what happens. Opa, yep. Transmission light came out. And if I shut it off, that's it. I won't be able to start it again. So that shows your CPC brain, this piece of shit thing is bad. So for now, it's okay. For now, it will start too. Right there. You see? So now, I'm gonna mess with this corner again. Before I mess it, let's see if that stays. Okay. That is okay for now. But let's fuck with this guy a little. Yeah. Yep, that right there. Yeah, right there. lights came out. And if I turn the ignition on and off, yeah, for now it's okay because I pressed it too hard. Even it's gonna start. Uh-oh. 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 Oh well, it is not, because this shit is bad. So this shit called CPC, just unplug it, all these plugs, toss it out, get yourself used one. If it's old buddy, it's usually CPC 4.